System files corrupted by the Pcasvc.dll failure. I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I have the verified steps to repair your Windows installation immediately. This DLL file is the Program Compatibility Assistant service library. It monitors applications for known compatibility issues and automatically applies shims or configuration changes to ensure older programs run correctly on Windows. Now let's get this fixed up. Our first move is installing a fresh, clean copy of the library. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening command prompt as an administrator and entering sfc scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as the Pcasvc.dll. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including the PCA service. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. A quick professional note on security: sourcing components correctly is just as important as the fix itself. Be highly suspicious of any site that recommends disabling your endpoint protection to install the Pcasvc.dll, as this is a standard red flag for malicious software injection. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. The link below references a resource for reviewing workstation health and the PCA service synchronization. To ensure you always have a professional diagnostic path for future Windows OS core or system errors, hit the subscribe button and keep this channel in your toolkit.